Oh, what is good? It's your boy Nova Church, and today we about to do a little doggy dog training right now. Yo, get off my pouch, man. See, I got my pouch right here. You see this? He's sniffing it up. You know why? I'm about to start training. I did a little something, but I saved my training for the video. So now what I'm gonna do is show you how I'm gonna teach him to sit, lay down, and give me his paw. A few techniques I've learned over the years. So let me see if they work with this new dog I got. Noah, he's 3 months old. Noah, you wanna say what's up to the people? Yeah, he could talk. I already started some leash training with him, a little something. Nothing crazy. Come here, boy. Come here. So what I'm gonna do to get him to sit, I'm gonna give him the command, right? Come here, boy. I want him to walk. Come here, boy. I got the treat in my hand. I'm gonna keep it in my palm. He's very intrigued. You see, when your dog is very food motivated, it'll be very easy to train him. Here we go, boy. You see, that's the boy, it's a treat. You want that? You want that? Okay, give him a little, he licked it, he like it. Okay, here we go. I want you to sit. Good boy. Good boy, that was too easy. I want him to walk around a little bit, let me get him a little confused, and I want him to be reluctant to sit, just so I could get him in that mindset of being distracted. Come here, boy. What's this? You see the toy? All right. Come here over here. I want you to sit. Sit. Good boy. This is, he's clearly easy to train. We did this before a little bit, nothing crazy. You regurgitating that treat? It's some new treats. Probably gotta get used to them, I don't know. He still likes it, right? You like it? You like it? Alright, come over here. Alright, let's see if he do his sit again. Like, oh, come in. Come on, join him out. You wanna come? Come play with me. Come play. Let's play. Come on. Alright, over here. What's up, boy? You wanna jump around? Jump around. Yeah. Sit. Good boy. Alright, I mean, I don't know how to make it more complicated just to test him, but that's where he's at. So let's try some down. Come here, boy. Down. Alright. I started this a little bit too, but not a lot. Okay, so he really don't know this one much at all, I guess. What I want him to do, smell it. And he's sitting already, so I want to bring him down. Down. Good boy. Give him all the love in the world. Yeah, you love it. That was good down. Yeah, I know you're so excited. So that was a good one. Come on. So I want you to sit, right? Good boy, all right? He got sit. Let's go down again. Down. Good boy. You see that? Put it to their nose, right? Let them get a good whiff of it, and then you just bring them down. And once they in that sit position, I find it very easy to get them all the way down. All right. So let's do this. Come here. All right. I want you to be up, okay? Let's try this. Down. Watch me. Down. Good boy. That was so good. You went down and you stayed down. That was super good. Wasn't looking the world, you know why? Because they want to do it again. Down. Now he was in the standing position. Down. Watch me. This is good. I like this. This is the challenge now. Now to see if he can stay on course. Down. Good. Down. See, this is not the behavior I want, so I'm not rewarding. He was almost there, not enough for me to reward him. I feel. This is my dog. I know my dog. Here we go, boy. You ready? Sit. Good boy. Good boy. We're gonna reward for sit to get him. Make sure he still knows the taste of that. All right. Sit. This is what sometimes it helps me when he's on the leash to help him sit. Watch me. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Down. Good boy. So now, since I feel like he got that somewhat figured out, I think with a few more weeks of me doing this, it'll be really locked into his mind that, you know, this is what I wanted you to do. Down. Good boy. Good boy. And you see, I feel that as he lingers down in that down position, he's not so quick to jump up. He knows that's where I want him to be. He's making that connection, you know, because before he was challenging me. Because it's like, maybe he's questioning me a little bit. You want me to go down? You know, and I'm like, yeah, down. You know what I'm saying? So now he's like figuring it out, right? Let's go. Sit. Down. Good boy. And he lingers down there. You see that? Look at that. He stays down there a little longer now. Look at that. He's getting comfortable. What's next for us? Let's do paw. Alright? So, what I'm going to do is hold the treat in my palm. Like this in my palm. Like that. And I'm going to tell him paw. And when he starts digging the paw, trying to get the treat, he's using his paws. I'm going to give him the treat and reward him for paw. Because now he's digging. But after a while, he'll realize, I just want him to high five me. And once he realizes that, he won't paw like and dig at your hand. Let's see if we could get him to do that. Come on, boy. Come here, Noah. Paw. Good boy. You saw that already? You gotta be quick. They touch you with their paw, give him a reward. So as soon as he gives me his paw, paw. Good boy. Think he made that connection already. He's smart. Paw. Good boy. You ready? Paw. Good boy. Good boy. Noah, doing a good job. That's just a quick video. I'll probably do another one showing some more stuff that I'll probably be doing with him as he gets older. Show you the progression, show you how much better he's been getting. It's my boy Noah. He's a Chihuahua, 3 months old. Want to say anything to the people? Yo, it's your boy Nova Church will be vlogging out. Alright, deuces. Yo, hold up, wait. Keep the shirt.